This is Paul. Yeah. I got to thinking about that Starbucks and these different coffee companies, different types of food products used to fish the population or lizard or dog the population or whatever. And I had planned on sending private investigators to Starbucks throughout the nation to find out exactly what they were selling and what type of technologies they were using. In fact, this morning I was laying in bed and I got to thinking about one of these secret societies I was planning on starting up. I was I was thinking about it. Yeah, you ever seen that movie where Heather Grant has roller skates on? Yeah. I found that so attractive that a lot of women like wearing roller skates. There used to be something I would hear when I would talk to people. They'd say, "Oh, I see," and I see, Well, I got to thinking about how attractive the employees are at Starbucks. A lot of these women, 18 to 25 years old. And I thought, well, C is such an important letter. What if they were all C cups? Yeah. What if they all wore roller skates? And that's all they were wearing? Yeah. I'm thinking about starting the top secret society of those that see. They're all C cups, and their breasts separate from their chest. And I planned on putting those 10 chairs in my office. A lot of people hadn't figured out I'm planning on starting 20 secret societies of those that have certain types of programming. Right. And yesterday I was working with those that need the berry bath. Today I'm thinking about working with the C cups that their breast is separated from their chest because they've been working with caffeinated products. Quite often with some of this programming, it's not just being on the person, it's like wearing the person. Let's say this woman that used to work at Starbucks, that had a full C cup that her breast had separated from her chest, was to roll up on in her roller skates in the office and say, "Would you like to wear me now?" Now, when you are on a person and you drink a caffeinated product, cappuccino, you could wear the actual person in the secret society for 2 or 3 hours until they put themselves on someone else. Now, how you get on somebody is, well, that's the secret. Now, let's say, okay, you work at a Starbucks. You have to be on each other when you're at work. But you're like, I don't really want to be on you, but you have to be on the other employee, so it's as if you are the other employee. Yes. I'm thinking about having a chair in my office for one woman to coordinate the whole Starbucks. Yep. And 4 employees from the Starbucks that have full C cups that know what I'm talking about, that they would wear roller skates while going through the office. And then as they approach an employee or volunteer, they would say, "How would you like to put me on?" Now, now, you would think roller skates. I don't really remember the name of the show that Heather Graham was in, such a beautiful, beautiful blonde haired woman. But she had this thing about making love while having her roller skates on. Yeah. And I thought I would pay for 5 sets of roller skates. Yes. How'd you like to be in the secret society of C cups that do see when they're on each other, but to be on each other, well, that's a secret. Do you work or have you worked at a Starbucks? Do you have to be on each other? Do you like caffeinated products?